Welcome to the Magical Fall Foliage class. I'm Cheryl, I'll be teaching you this class, and here's what we're going to be covering. Let's go take a look. So this is a peek at some of the cards that we're going to be creating in this class. Now we're going to be creating 6 cards in this class. You see 8 here, and I'll explain in a minute. I'm going to be using Lindy's Magicals in this class. What I like about them is they're a nice pigment powder that have some shimmer to them, or the ones that we're using in this class do anyways, and they have some color variation. It's just fun to play with. So I'll show you how to create different backgrounds with them and how to color papers, how to use them in different ways. We'll use them on some different die cuts. In this one here, we use some impresslets. There's another one that was done with impresslets. I'll show you some different ways that you can mix them up with other products and how to use them on their own in a little different way, as well as how to use your dies to create stamps. You can also use them for watercoloring, so we had to have that in the class. And then I also use them with a stencil. Now these are part of the same section. This is the sample card that I created, and then I chose a different stencil to use in the class just for some variation so that you could see how the different stencils looked and reacted with the powders. And then last but not least, I don't create this card in the class, but I do talk about it a little bit, and figured I'd show you here another variation that you can create with the supplies that we're creating, or with the backgrounds that we're creating for this class. So this class does come with a supply list that lists all the supplies made for each, or sorry, used for each and every single card. And those supplies are linked to where you can purchase them if you choose. They'll also have pictures of the sample card in there, so you don't have to keep notes or remember which card goes with what supply. Now let's go create some fun magical fall cards.